Well, walking around the back before the storms hit tonight here in Texas. Beautiful day right now, but there's supposed to be some severe weather coming tonight. Applejack apparently already knows something's going on. She's hiding. Just checking on everybody, make sure everybody is secure. I've already started putting everybody away because I don't want them to be loose when weather gets here. Rabbits are in here. Goats. Sheep. Hey guys, I'm gonna go into the barn real quick. Check on the pigs, make sure they're all doing okay. Oh, shush. Got Mama with her kittens in there, just hanging out in the barn. We put Daisy in this little pen here. Hey girl, you doing okay? Okay, you're good. Got Tex over here. Belle, how you doing? Oh, you're good? All right, cool, sorry. So everybody is secure inside. And yeah, hopefully the weather isn't too bad coming through. Hopefully it's good for you guys too. What's wrong? You guys good? Okay. All right, you guys stay safe out there.